those are faster foreclosure states in a lot of cases. North Carolina has this upset bid thing. It can take a little while to get through, but it's okay. You can often find some pretty good deals there, because if it doesn't bid at the auction, nobody upsets you in 30 days. Guess what? You now own the property. And that's the thing. Now, the great thing about the tape that they sent us, and you can see the map here. Let me share my tape now. Where is it at? Here we go. Is it gives us quite a bit of information. So let me go through the tape. So it gives us the loan number on it. I'm gonna go ahead and hide that. It gives us the address. It does give us the borrower's name, but I've hidden that because I don't want to get shut down for YouTube saying I'm bullying. Somebody reports me for bullying. Sometimes it's kind of funny. But anyway, so you got the full address, the city, the state, the zip, the property county, which just helps you check back taxes, because there's always usually back taxes owed on this a lot of times. Although sometimes the existing lender or the previous have paid the taxes, avoid the tax foreclosure. It gives you the BPO. Doesn't give us the BPO date. Now, usually this is a full BPO. It's not as estimate. The date of this may be outdated by a year or two, but the great things is that often the seller, if I've got a bid accepted or I'm looking to do a little bit deeper due diligence on an asset, they'll send over the copy of the BPO. They'll send a copy of the kind of the quick updated O&E title report, and they'll also send over an interior inspection report, which you don't get that on your regular non-performing stuff. This is vacant. HUD has a right to go in and secure the property with a HUD key. While they're there, they send an inspector to it to take pictures of the interior and the exterior. And like I said, these are vacant. They're not occupied. These are all vacant assets. So that gives you a bit of a idea. These are all usually single family homes. First liens, these are not second liens, they're first liens. There's three bedrooms, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1.5 square foot, year built. Okay. Is there a garage? It doesn't say if it's attached or not attached. And this is kind of yes, or carport to put that in there. And they tell you where they're at in kind of the foreclosure process, pre-judgment, pending first legal. Oh, that's the great thing too, is I will also get, the seller will also send us over the servicing notes and legal notes where they're at. So it kind of gives you an idea where to look at for the foreclosure process. This is as of June 2nd. So this is 7 days ago. Pre-judgment, pending first legal, post-judgment, that means it's going to foreclosure. Pre-judgment, mid-summary judgment filed is in the process. No open foreclosure means you got to start it. Pending first legal, pre-judgment, and then, it's the same thing. And then you have the maturity date when this loan was supposed to mature. Because it's a reverse mortgage, the borrowers had equity at some point, and they cashed that equity in to kind of annuitize their house. So if they have a ton of equity, which is usually what you need as a reverse mortgage,